So this is the 40 volt HP brushless from Ryobi, the 3-in-1. So you have the option of there's an insert that goes in here, and then you can throw the grass on the side, or you can mulch it, or you can just install the bag, remove that plug in here, install the bag and bag your grass. Here's the handle so that you can adjust the height. Now the grass is really tall here, so there is this height that looks like it's the max, but there's actually one more here. I'm not sure in inch how tall those are, but this is taller than my hand here. So we're putting it to this setting to cut the grass here today. In this compartment here, you have your 40 volt battery. We're using a 6 amp-hour battery right now, and there's a storage clip for another battery in there. It will not use the battery power, it's just for storage so that you can swap the battery on the go if you're out in your yard. Just like the 18 volt, there is that key here if you want to protect it so your child cannot start this. And then yeah, so the lever is actually moving the front and the back with the lever bar and the spring assist here to help you out. Here's the clip so that you can actually move the handle down. So now the handle is unlocked. It's a easy fold like this, and there's the handle here so you can carry it. I would think that this is probably 50 or 60 pounds, and you just put it back up like this. It's stop at the right spot, and then you just flip those clips here. It's actually way easier than the 18 volt one. Yeah, just by putting it up like this, everything clips in place. In the video of the 18 volt one, you had like those knobs you had to turn and pull the handle aside and stuff. This one is way easier, and as I said, it's the 20-inch one. This door here just open like this, and then you grab this lever. There's a clip that clips into the plastic of the housing here. You just move that up a little bit, and then you pull this if you want a bag. That's the hole for the clip right here. This is what the insert look like. We're not bagging anything today, so we're putting this back in. The piece in the back here, so nothing bounce against you, contrary to the 18 volt one was harder plastic. This one is soft, so this one you won't break it when you're turning. So this lawnmower, that's the insert that goes into the side of the lawnmower, so that if you want to throw the grass on the side of your lawnmower, you're inserting this in, and it will keep that door open. And it also comes with the bag and the bracket here to install the bag. To install the bag, you're just going to slide the middle part inside here, a square with those little things that's to mount on the edge of the lawnmower here. So just slide this in, and then the bag here just have those little plastic insert that goes and click just like this on top of the metal part. So you just have to flip them upside down kind of and pull them on. Just make sure that you don't do like me and you actually put this on the outside of the bag when you first clip it in. So to start it, you press the bar down and you press the button here. hopefully that lawnmower video was useful for you. I think they're way better than the 18 volt one. Even though the 18 volt, I was super surprised about it, that all my grass was at home and what it was able to cut. But that 40 volt here, man, that grass is probably a good like 6-7 inch tall, right? It's way above my ankles. And that 40 volt lawnmower, I don't have no problem with it. Now, we're not trying to cut the grass super short too, because we're not that property here all the time, so we don't want, we cannot water that grass, so we don't want it to dry up and stuff. So because of that, then we're cut a little bit taller. Well, a big thank you to my father-in-law for letting us check out his lawnmower, and yeah, I sure want one of those now. All right, do you have a Ryobi lawnmower? Which one do you have? What size? What size deck? Let me know in the comment below, okay? I'm interested to find out. So I'm sure that you guys are interested to know like how long the battery lasts on this. Well, usually my father-in-law said that he's using the 6 amp hour battery, and with the 6 amp hour battery they're able to do all the grass around here, but the grass is usually a little bit shorter than it is today. They planted this grass this year, so it's the first time that it's actually grow like this. They put a little bit of fertilizer on it. It's doing pretty good, but this is the path here, and that's the spot that we did over there around those trees earlier. And then you just did this here, and I'm gonna show you on the other side of the cottage. Our cottage just got built this year here, so it's not done inside yet, so that's why we still have our trailer. So that's the grass here that he's cutting with one battery usually. So we're going to finish cutting the grass on this side, and then I'll let you guys know if we needed to use 2 batteries and how much voltage there's left in there. Goes all the way back here. Now, I'm not sure how big this is. I know the property with all the trees there on my trailer at the end there, that's 3.5 acres. So I'm not sure about this lawn here, how much it is, but it's fair size. Bigger than my backyard at home, and I have like 110 by 50. Well, I can see just compared to the fire pit and the barrel, like how big this thing is. Yeah, we're just on the lake here. If you guys are interested to know about how we're getting water to the trailer, which is 500 feet away, you have to watch my other channel, my Ben's Mechanic. I touch a little bit about like how we're making the water pump here, all of the project that we're doing, the off-grid stuff that we're doing too. My trailer over there, I get the Honda generator, a 3000 PI generator, but I also use 4 solar panel and batteries for it. So anyway, I touch a little bit of all of this onto my other channel. It's not really tool related, so it's not on this channel, but yeah, check out Ben's Mechanic Shop. We built lots of stuff around here before I started this Ryobi channel here, or any YouTube channel. So you guys didn't see that. We built a bunkie over here, we built this. All of that has been built with Ryobi tool. The platform here, usually that's for a zip line, so that was also built with Ryobi tool. There's a dock at the water edge that was also built with Ryobi tool. The lake in here is pretty small. It's just a kilometer wide and stuff, well, each way. So, but there's lots of bass in here. We're close to breeding ground for fish, so there's lots of stuff that are hard to get with permit here to build. But yeah, everything, there's lots of project to do here, and there's a lot more project that are gonna soon. I'm gonna continue filming lots of stuff. I get all the chainsaw video that they're gonna be filmed here. I'm having some vacation in a couple of weeks, so we're gonna spend lots of time here. I'll be able to do that more video about the chainsaw for you guys. Get the 18-volt that we're going to do a little bit more video. I did some video with the 4 amp hour battery with the 18-volt. I'm going to do 6 amp hour battery. We can compare it, how many cuts we can do with that. And I'm also going to do a little bit of cut with my dad let me borrow his 40-volt chainsaw, so we're going to use that to do some cuts too and do some tests for you guys. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video.